Before we get this video started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for these little puppies. Say hi guys, give me a thumbs up. Say give me a thumbs up. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to make a video on Planet 13 and Aurora Cannabis. So we have some pretty big news on both companies, but before we look at these companies, I want to just do a little bit of a chart analysis on Aurora Cannabis because I have noticed a pattern. So right here we have Aurora Cannabis charts. Today, Aurora Cannabis is down 2.15%. And as you can see, we kind of have a support building right around here, and we've been downtrending for the past few days. So another thing that I've noticed with Aurora Cannabis is that we're starting to form a triangle pattern. So I've talked about triangle patterns before, but if you don't know what a triangle pattern is, I'll keep you guys up to date right now. So usually when a triangle pattern starts to form, as we start squeezing into this tighter end of the triangle, what eventually happens is we have a breakthrough. So we're either going to break through this way or that way. So this is a little bit concerning for me because we are kind of approaching this support right here, kind of squeezing into this triangle pattern, and I'm really hoping we don't have a breakthrough going down. It's not guaranteed, but we're going to keep an eye on Aurora Cannabis for the next few days. And as we start squeezing into this triangle pattern, I do expect a breakthrough. Obviously, best case scenario is it hits that support line and bounces off, has a breakthrough up. So the thing about breakthroughs, they're pretty perfect for day trades, for swing trades, because let's say I'm about to do a day trade or a swing trade. Let's say I purchase shares at 1183. I would also make a stop loss at around maybe, let's say 1160. So let's say we have a breakthrough all the way back down to 1080. I have a stop loss here at 1160 to cut my losses short. If Aurora Cannabis has a breakthrough upwards in the upward direction, then I just collect my profits if I were to do a swing trade. So right now, Aurora Cannabis is trading sideways, but this triangle pattern has me a little concerned. So we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to see what happens as we start squeezing into this tighter end of the triangle. Usually with these patterns, we see a breakthrough. So you guys can keep an eye out for this pattern and see what happens. So another company we're going to talk about is Planet 13. And this company has simply been on fire. Had a huge run today, up 15.28%. So far in 2019, Planet 13 is up 41.36%. Since March 20th, Planet 13 is up 27%. So we've seen a fairly nice run with Planet 13. A few concerns right now for me. We've seen a huge gap up today. So what I like to say about gaps, they usually get filled. So we might see Planet 13 start declining now. I've been very tempted to collect profits today, especially because we've had such a huge run today. So today might be the day that I collect some profits with Planet 13. I am not 100% sure yet, but if I do collect profits, I will keep you guys up to date and let you guys know whether I've done it or not. But as of now, Planet 13 seems to be uptrending. If you look at the technical analysis for Planet 13, it's a buy, a strong buy, and a very strong buy. And not to mention, I have made a video on Planet 13 titled Planet 13 Holdings Inc. Stock Analysis. I do talk about Planet 13. I give you guys a technical analysis and I talk about some news with Planet 13. So today we're going to start off with some more news on Planet 13 that just recently came out. So Planet 13 announces $5.49 million in revenue from the Las Vegas Cannabis Entertainment Complex in March 2019. So this superstore opened on November 1st, 2018. The superstore revenue has grown 63.4% from November, or 13.1% compound monthly rate. Phase 2 expansion expected to be complete by Q3 2019, driving additional traffic and spend. So Planet 13 has been a company that I've been very big on. I've been talking about this company since last year. And of course, this company has been very volatile. And I pretty much talked about their runs they've made. If you guys watched my previous video on Planet 13, I'll leave a link right here at the top corner. You guys can check out my Planet 13 video. I get into more detail with Planet 13, but for now, we're just going to touch up on these articles. So in March, almost 100,000 people entered our dispensary, and other companies are starting to realize the value of our shelf. We are in negotiations with multiple companies to sell premium shelf space and advertising. The Phase 2 expansion, which includes a coffee shop, pizzeria, bistro, and event space, and a consumer-facing production facility, is all about building on the success of the superstore. Each piece of Phase 2 is carefully designed to drive additional traffic and cement the superstore as a must-visit destination when in Las Vegas. Bob Grossbeck, co-CEO of Planet 13, also added, restrictive advertising rules have prevented cannabis brands from establishing a strong connection with consumers, forcing consumers to look to retail for direction on product choice. Planet 13 is the best position in the country to help brands create a lasting connection connection with thousands of customers from all over the world. So this superstore is on fire. You've seen it here. The superstore revenue has grown 63.4% from November, or at 13.1% compound monthly rate. I even talked about it on my last video where the revenue is consistently growing, and we can see right here, these charts are kind of small. Maybe I could zoom in. On November 2018, 3.36 million in revenue. December 2018, 3.5 million. January, 4 million. February 4.3 million, and March 5.4 million. So those look like very good numbers, consistently growing every month. And we look forward to April, May, June, July, because I have a feeling this company will consistently continue to grow. So it's looking really good for Planet 13 right now. Article: Planet 13 launches Leaf and Vine, a premium brand over disposable vape and concentrate products. Follow successful launch of in-house trendy line, which has grown into the #1 concentrate brand in Nevada since its launch of November 2018. Leaf and Vine is a line of sophisticated chic disposable vape and concentrate products tailored for a social night on the town with friends. We have designed Leaf and Vine specifically for more casual social experience, using a hand-selected variety of strain with higher CBD content. Leaf and Vine is perfect for a fun night out or to spice up a conversation over dinner, said Larry Schleffer, co-CEO of Planet 13. Planet 13 has proven model for designing, launching, and selling branded products. The trendy brand we launched in November is now the #1 selling concentrate brand in Nevada, with a customer-focused approach to product development and commitment to ultra-premium quality and the world's best showroom floor for new and innovative products. Planet 13 possesses a brand development and sales platform that is irreplaceable in the cannabis industry today. Since we're talking about Planet 13, I'm going to show you guys for the first time ever a part of my secret portfolio about Planet 13. So this is a portfolio that I've slowly been building. I started this portfolio at some point in 2018. I think I've only had this portfolio for about 7 months, and I started this portfolio with about $5,000 to $6,000, and I have grown this portfolio to $11,688. So I have my Scotia iTrade cash portfolio right here with $9,504. Maybe I'll show you guys this another time. But for now, I'm going to show you my Scotia iTrade RRSP, which is now at 2,183. And you guys can guess what company is in this portfolio. And of course, if you guys guess Planet 13, you guys would be right. So right here at Planet 13 Holdings Inc., I only bought 800 shares at about $1.45. And I'm currently up 78% on this position, with about $927 in profit. Very small position, one of my 3 positions in Planet 13. Now I'm going to show you my other 2 positions. Right here, you have my other Canadian portfolio. And as you can see, I have a lot more companies here. And right here, you have Planet 13. In this position, I had a lot more. I think I had about 2,000 shares of Planet 13, but I was slowly collecting profits, maybe waiting for a correction, and I never ended up getting back to this price that I wanted so I could pick up more shares. But as you can see, I own 700 shares at $1.64, currently up 52% on this position, up $645. I already collected a lot of profits in this position. I'm still holding strong. And then last but not least, I have my American position right here. As you can see, Planet 13, I'm pretty much even because my average cost is $2 for this one and the average market price is $2.05. I'm currently down $26 on this position. So a total of 2,959 shares, almost 3,000 shares in Planet 13 that I own. I'm up on 2 of my positions. This one I'm pretty much broken even. I might actually collect profits on this position and try to average my costs down on my American position if I can. And that's it for now. We're going to move on to some Aurora Cannabis news now. So Aurora Cannabis needs capital for potential opportunities. On April 2nd, Aurora Cannabis filed a preliminary base shelf prospectus with the respective regulators in Canada and in the US. The prospectus gives the company a chance to quickly pull the trigger if it's looking to raise additional capital for expansion. So how much is Aurora looking to raise? In the prospectus, Aurora Cannabis set an amount up to $750 million under the filing. The prospectus is effective for 25 months. The company could raise capital anytime within this period. Aurora Cannabis could raise the capital through issuing common equity, debt, warrants, subscription receipts, or any combination of these securities, depending on what form the company takes. It could have a dilutive effect on the common shareholders. And that's what scares me. It could have a dilutive effect on the common shareholders. So does that mean that Aurora could potentially dilute even more shares? And this makes me question, why don't you just get a partner who will offer you a lot of money? Why do you have to keep punishing us, the shareholders, instead of making a deal where you guys could have all the cash that you need? Canopy did it. Kronos did it. Why can't Aurora Cannabis do it? So potential opportunities. Aurora Cannabis filed the prospectus to work towards potential opportunities identified by the company's new strategic advisor and billionaire businessman Nelson Peltz. Peltz has experience in the consumer side, which he indicates what Aurora Cannabis might be aiming at the consumer space through the shelf prospectus filing. Recreational cannabis has opened doors to mass consumer goods for companies including Canopy Growth, Hexo, and Kronos Group. So when Aurora Cannabis filed its preliminary shelf prospectus on April 2nd, it stated that the company could raise up to $750 million over a 25-month period. The company stated that being listed on the New York Stock Exchange has given it access to institutional clients in the United States. The company is also looking to use the capital raised through the filing to invest in opportunities identified by Nelson Peltz. Aurora Cannabis stated that this filing is a natural evolution for our company as we rapidly mature into a global and profitable organization. So that might explain why Aurora Cannabis is currently down 2.4% today. Shareholders probably aren't happy. I know I'm not too happy at the fact that Aurora will continue to dilute more shares. I hope they have a little trick up their sleeves. I really had high hopes for Nelson Peltz, and I thought he would be the one person that would land us that perfect brand deal. I am still sticking to what I said, and I do think Aurora Cannabis will land a deal before October 2019, and that is when CBD and edibles become legal in Canada. So this is pretty much the headline for everything. Aurora Cannabis stock down, but hopes for a consumer company partnership remain. Right here, Aurora Cannabis needs capital for potential opportunities. So yes, Aurora Cannabis needs capital, but there's more than one way to get it. And right now, the only way Aurora knows how to make more capital or get more capital is through us, the shareholders. So they're going to be diluting more of our shares, using that money to create more capital. Let me know what you guys think, whether you think this is a good thing, whether this is a long game for Aurora, you guys are not worried, whether you guys are upset. What do you guys think about this decision by Aurora Cannabis? Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.